Hello students, today I am here to teach you your last chapter in your textbook. That's chapter 28, Data Representation and Interpretation. So we discussed in grade 8 as well, but in this lesson we are constructing ungrouped frequency distribution from given raw data and then finding mode, median, mean of the data in the form of an ungrouped frequency distribution, and then constructing group frequency distribution from given raw data and identify the modal class, median class from the group frequency distribution. Runs obtained by each 11 players of a cricket team are given below. These are numerical data. Values are there. To get an idea about the data, arrange the data in increasing or decreasing order. So it's easy to arrange this in increasing order, lowest to highest. So how we can do that? We can start with 10 and then we have 12, 16, then 19, 36, 40 twice, and 52, 65, 73, 77 is the last value. So this is in increasing order, smallest to largest. So this is the data set. Above data shows in increasing order. So we did that before. So when you look at once, we can see 40 twice are there and lowest is 10, highest is 77. So what's the range? Range is the difference between the greatest value and the smallest value, highest and lowest. So what's the lowest number there? 10. Highest number? 77. So 10 and 77. So range is the difference between these two numbers. So you get 77 minus 10, you get 67 is the range value. So 67 is the range value. Find the mode of the following numbers. What's the mode? Most frequent number. How you find out the most frequent number? You can see all the other numbers only once. 40 twice. So mode is 40 because it's written twice. Look at this example. In this data set, what's the mode? This is in increasing order. So 8 twice and 15 twice. So you get two mode values, 8 and 15. So sometimes you get several numbers as mode. So this is two mode values. So that's bimodal. So what's the word? Bimodal. Find the mode of the following data sets. So all these are arranged in increasing order. 12 once, 18 twice, 25 twice. So that means 18 and 25. You can write 18 or 25. Bimodal. This data set, 33 twice and 40 twice. So you have to write both 33, 40. This one? This is in increasing order. 36 3 times. So what's the mode? 36. This one? 14.5 twice. All the other numbers once. So 14.5 is the mode value. Find the median of the data set. So what's the median? When you arrange the data set in increasing order, the middle number. So when you find the middle number, if you get odd number of data, you get one middle number. If you get even number of data, you get two middle numbers. So take the sum and divide by 2. Now how many numbers are there? First we'll check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That means one middle number. How you find out that middle number? 11 plus 1 divided by 2. 12 divided by 2, you get 6. Sixth one is the median. So what's the median here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now when you mark it, this side 5, this side 5. So 40 is the median. So that's how you find out 40 is the median. As there are 11 numbers, middle term is 6th. So method to find out the middle term, take the number, add 1 and divide by 2. So 12 divided by 2, so you get 6. That means we take the 6th number. Look at this data set. There are 8 numbers. So that means 2 middle numbers are there. So 3 here, 3 here. So you get 2 middle numbers. So you take the sum and divide by 2. So we call it average of 2 middle numbers. 40 plus 44 divide by 2. So you get 84 divided by 2. That's 42. 42 is the median value. Find the median of the following data. So now I want to help you with this one. So what's the easiest way to find out the middle number? If this is even, can you remember we did that before? So 8 is there. So what you do? 8 divided by 2. So that means 4. So you take the 4th one and the next one. That's 5th one. 1, 2, 3, 4th and 5th. You take 4th and 5th and take the average. Look at this one. Find the median of the following data. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That means 8 divided by 2. You get 4th and the 5th one because you get 2 middle numbers. 4th and 5th. 70 plus 72 divided by 2. So you get 142 divided by 2 is 71 is the median value. This one 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Same thing 4th and 5th. So 4th and 5th 85 plus 86 divided by 2. So you get 171 divided by 2, 8, 16 and 5, 10 and another 5. 85.5 is the median value. Median of this one 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That means odd number you get 1. Middle number you add 1 and divide by 2. 10 divided by 2, 5. So that means 5th number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 33 is the median. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here we have to arrange the data set in increasing order. This one is okay, but this one not in order. Is it in increasing order or decreasing order? This is in decreasing order, doesn't matter. So either you can arrange the data set in increasing order or decreasing order, and you can find out the middle term. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 plus 1 divided by 2, that means fifth one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 20 is the median value. Find the mean number of runs obtained by 11 cricket players. What's the mean? Take the sum of all numbers divided by number of data. So you can find out the mean by adding all these and divide by number of numbers. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 numbers are there. So we'll add it. So we'll add 2 at a time. 22. 35. 76. 92. 138 and 77. Take the total. 7 plus 6, 13. 13 plus 2, 15. And 15, 30. 3 remaining. 5, 8. 8 plus 7, 15. 15, 10. 25. 25 plus 9, 34. 3 remaining, and 3 plus 1, 4. 440 divided by 11. So you get 40 is the average number or mean number. So what's the mean? Take the total and divide by number of terms. So we did that before. Total is 440 divided by 11, so 40 runs. According to the runs obtained by 11 players, so we did that before. Mode, we got 40. Median also we got 40, and the mean also we got 40. So as all the values are 40, this is called the most representative value. Or you can say the average runs for the cricket team is 40 runs. So 40 is the most representative number. Find the mean of the following data set. So you can add everything and divide by 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we'll find out the total. So I can first do 2 at a time and add. First 2, 73. These 2, I get 79. And 40 and 41, 81. 42 and 45, I get 87. Now take the total. 10, 20, 2 remaining. 10, 18 and 14. 32. So 320 divide by 8. That means 40 is the mean number. Find the mean of the following data set. You add all the numbers. Divide by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now we'll add 2 at a time and see. 15 plus 18, 33. 20 and 25, 45. 30 and 32, 62. And then 35. 10, 13, 15. 1 remaining. So 4 and 4, 6. 1 remaining. 4 and 4, 8. 8 plus 9, 70. So 175 over 7. 7 times 2, 14. 35, that's 5. So mean is 25. Find the mean here. And then write down the total. And then divide by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So what's the value? So you have to add it. 15 and 18, 33. 40, other two you get 48. 65. Then 79 and 45. 8 plus 3, 11. And 9, 20, 30. 3 remaining. 6 plus 4, 10. 10 and 10, 20, 27. 270 divided by 9. Average or the mean value is 30. Look at this one. Find the range and the median. How you find out the range? This is in increasing order. So you can find the range. Take the highest value, subtract the lowest value. 45 minus 12. You get 33. How you find out the median? The middle number. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That means 11 plus 1 divided by 2. 12 divided by 2, that's sixth number you have to take. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 to the right and 5 to the left. So the middle number is 25. So median is 25. Find the mode mean of the following data set. Mode, most frequent number. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. So all ones. So no mode. There's no mode here. Mean value. So you can add everything. Divide by number of numbers. How many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So add it. 20, 30, 50, 50, 50, 100. 100 and 100, 200 and 300. 390. 390 and 80 and 7 means 150. Altogether 540. Divide by 9. That means 60. 60 is the mean value. Following numbers are the numbers of coconuts sold for 7 days by a vendor. Write down the numbers in ascending order. What's the lowest? 38. Then you get 43, 47 and 50 twice, 57 and 65. Find the range of numbers of coconuts sold. Range is the highest value minus the lowest. 65 minus 38, you get 27. Find the mode. What's the most frequent number? 50 twice. So the mode is 50. Find the median. So you get how many numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So to find out the median, we take 7 plus 1 divided by 2. 8 divided by 2, that's fourth number is the middle number. So fourth number, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 50 is the median number. What's the mean value? Total divided by number of days. So total, we have to find out the total. So we'll add it here. These two, 81. Then these two, you get 7 and 9, 97. 50 and 57, you get 107 and 65. 7, 7, 14, 15, 20. 2 remaining, 10, 19, 25. 2 remaining and this 350. So 350 and how many numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 350 divided by 7, you get 50 as the mean value. So what's the most suitable number of coconuts sold by this vendor? We got mode 50, median 50 and mean 50. So vendor's daily sales of coconut is 50 coconuts. So that's the most representative number. So you can write 50 is the most representative number. Following numbers are the number of pineapples sold for 20 days in a fruit stall. Find the range. You have to find out the lowest and the highest. 5 is the lowest number. Highest one? 28. No, 35 we'll say. 35 is the highest. So what's the range? 35 minus 5, that's 30. Arrange the data in increasing order. Arrange the data in increasing order. So as there are lot of numbers, so range is 30. Lot of numbers are there. So better to make a table using tally mark. So we'll try to make a table now. Without writing all these numbers like that, we can make a table. So number of times that the value occurs in the data set is the frequency. So by counting number of tally marks, we can get the frequency. So we'll try to find out first the tally marks and then the frequency. So this is the data set. So number of pineapples starting from 5, the highest is 35. Now we'll put tally marks and see. 5. First underline and then put a tally mark. 1. 28. 1. 10. 20. 35. 22. 10. 18. 20. 22. 26. 18, 26, 12, 20, 22, 20, 18, 28, and 20. So when you cross it out, if it's fifth one, you cross a group of fives when you are marking as tally. So frequency, now you can count. This is 1, this is 2, 1, 3, this is 5, 3, 2, 2, 1. And what's the total? 3, 4, 4 plus 3, 3, 4, 4 plus 3, 7, 7 plus 5, 12, 12 plus 3, 15, 15 plus 5, 20. So altogether 20 numbers are there. Now we call this is an ungrouped frequency distribution. There are no groups, just ungrouped frequency distribution. And if you want to find out the mean value in the frequency distribution, we have to find out the multiplication of the frequency with the x value. So this is the x value, number of pineapples. So we have to find out fx column, the total, and that total divided by the frequency, we call that's the mean of the data set. So first we'll find out the mode of the number of pineapples sold. Mode, highest frequency. So you look at the frequency column, one which has the highest frequency. So 5. That means 20 is the mode value. Median. So what's the median? Altogether 20. So you divide by 2. 20 divided by 2, 10. So add 1. So 10th and 11th we have to take. So 10th value and add 1, 11th value. So that's the second number and first middle number is 10. So what you do? You add and divide by 2. So median becomes, so 10th value, what's the 10th value? 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 3, 7. After 7, this is 12. So up to this point, you are getting 20s. 8th value, 9th value, 10th value, all these are 20. So the median becomes 20. So we'll do that. So the explanation, so you need to get the 10th value and the 11th value and take the average of that. So how you find out the 10th value? So you are adding the frequency column till you get 12. Till you get 10th and 11th. Now when you are adding 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 3, 7. Up to this point, that's 7. So this is 5 means 12. Up to here 12. So that means in between 7th and 12th, you get 10th and 11th number. So that means 20. So you can straight away write down. So 20 plus 20 divided by 2. So the median is 20. So 10th number and the 11th number both are the same. That's 20. Find the mean now. Mean number. So these are the tally marks we got. So we got 1, 2, 1, 3, 5, 3, 2, 2, 1. And the total, we got 20. So to find out the mean, here Have you seen this symbol sigma? Sigma we call sigma. That means total. I can write instead of this total fx. Same thing. Over total frequency. Total f. So total fx and total frequency you need. So how you find out fx means multiplication. F times, this is x. So 5 times 1, 5. 10 times 2, 20. 12 times 1, 12. 18 times 3, 54. 20 times 5, 100. 22 times 3, 66. 26 times 2, 52. 28 times 2, 56. 35 times 1, 35. Now add all together. Total of fx. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 4, 11. 11 plus 6, 17. 17 plus 2, 19. 20, 30. 3 remaining. Then 5, 6. 6 plus 5, 11. 11 plus 11, 22. 22 plus 3, 25 plus 5, 30. 3 remaining and this one with, that's 400. So what's the mean? 400 divided by 20. So you get 20 as the mean number. So what's the mode we got? We got mode 20. Median 20. And the mean value 20. So all these numbers we got 20. So what's the most representative number? So we can say 20 is the number of pineapples sold per day. So that's the most representative number. Following ungrouped frequency distribution shows marks obtained for a mathematics test by 50 students. Find the range. How you find out the range? Highest is 73. Lowest is 27. Subtract. You get 6 and 4. 46. Check it again. 13 and 7. So 46 is the correct answer. Find the mode. Mode, how you find? You look at the frequency column and see where you get the highest number, 14. So one which has the highest number is 50. So the mode is 50. Find the median. How you find the median? So all together how many? This should be 50. We'll check it. 10, 20, 24, 24 plus 16, 40, 40 plus 10, 50. That's 50 there. So 50 is an even number. So you get two middle numbers. What are the two middle numbers? 25th. So 50 divided by 2, 25th and 26th. The two middle numbers are 25th one and the 26th one. So I have to first find out what is 25th one. So we'll add it. 3 plus 10, 3 plus 7, 10. 10 plus 8, 18. This is 18. And when you add 14 to that, you get 32. So that means in between 18th and 32nd one, that's 50. So you get 25th number also 50, 26th number also 50. Divide by 2. So the final median value is 50. Now you need to find out the mean. How you find out the mean? So here, this is the table we got before. So this is 50. So you have to find out the total of fx. So you can write total fx over total f. Total f is 50. What's total fx? We'll find out. This is f, this is x. Multiply 3 times 27. 81. 7 times 35. 245. Just see, 7 times 5, 35. 3 remaining. 7 times 3, 21. Plus 3, 24. 43 times 8, 24. And 2 remaining. 8 times 4, 32. 32 plus 2, 34. 50 times 14. Multiply by 5 here. 20. 2 remaining. 5 times 1, 5 plus 2, 7. Again, 5 times 4, 20. 2 remaining. 5 times 1, 5 plus 2, 7. 57 times 8, 56. 5 remaining. 8 times 5, 40, 45. 7 times 65, 35 you get. 3 remaining. 7 times 6, 42. 42 plus 3, 45. And 73 times 3, 9 and 21. Now we can add all together. 9 plus 1, 10. 10, 19, 20, 30. 3 remaining. 8 plus 3, 11. 11 plus 8, 19. 20, 30. 3 remaining. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 7, 15. 15 plus 2, 17. 17 plus 8, 25. So you get 25. So 2,500 divided by 50. 0 get cancelled out. You get 250 divided by 5. That's 50. So what are the measurements we got? Mode 50, median 50 and mean 50. So what's the most representative number? All the values obtained are the same. So therefore, what is the most suitable mathematics mark obtained? 50 marks. Number of eggs sold for 30 days shows below. What's the range? Is this in ascending order? It's not in ascending order. You have to find out the largest number and the smallest number. 28 is the largest number. What's the lowest number? Is it 22? 22 is the lowest number. So when you subtract, you get 6 is the range value. Construct an ungrouped frequency distribution from this. So we can make a tally mark and count how many numbers are there for one particular number. So 22. So we can first underline and put the tally mark. 28, 27, 23, 23 again, 28, 22, 27, 23, 25, 27, 24, 26, 25, 24, 25. 24, 25 again. 27, 26. 24, 25. 23, 24. 26, 26, 25. 22, 28. And then finally 26. Now we can count. 3, 4, 5, 5 and 1, 6, 5 here, 4, 3. So what's the total? 7 plus 5, 12, 18. 18 plus 5, 21. 21 plus 4, 25 plus 3, 28. Again we'll check. We can check from this. It says 30 days, so the total should be 30. We'll check it again. 7. 7 plus 5, 12. 12 plus 6, 18. 18 plus 5, 23. 23 plus 7, that's 30. That's correct. Then you can find out the mode value, mode number of eggs. Look at the frequency column and see one which has the highest frequency. So 6 is the highest number. So 25 is the mode value. Median. Now 30 is there. 30 is even, means you need to take 30 divided by 2 is 15th and 16th number. Where is 15th and 16th? We can add it. 7. 7 plus 5, 12. 12 plus 6, 18. So here, this is up to here, that's 12. This is 18. We need 15th and 16th. So, where's 15th and 16th? In between. So, that means 25. Both two middle numbers are 25. So, 25 plus 25 divide by 2, you get 25 as the median value. So, what's the mean value? So, we have to construct a column, fx, multiply f and x. 22 times 3, 66. 4 times 23. 4 times 3, 12. And 4 times 2, 8 plus 1, 9. 24 times 5, 20. 2 remaining. 5 times 2, 10 plus 2, 12. 25 times 6, 150. 26 times 5, 130. 27 times 4, 7 times 4, 28. 2 remaining. 4 times 2, 8 plus 2, 10. And 28 times 3, 2 remaining. 3 times 2, 6 plus 2, 8. 3 times 8, 24. 2 remaining. 3 times 2, 6 plus 2, 8. Now total frequency, fx column. 8, 8, 8, 16. 16 plus 4, 20. 2 remaining. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. 19. 20, 24. 24 plus 3, 27. 27 plus 8, 35. 3 remaining. 4, 5, 6, 7. 750. So 750 is the total fx. Divide by total f is 30. So 0 get cancelled out. 75 divided by 3. 3 times 2, 6. And then for 15, that's 5. So 25 is the mean number of eggs. Mode is 25, median is 25 and mean is 25. So all are 25. So what's the most suitable number of eggs sold per day? As all the numbers are the same, so 25 eggs is the representative number for eggs sold per day. Following table shows masses of 40 people. Range of masses. How we find out the range? Highest is 31 and the lowest is 27. Subtract, you get 4. Mode, look at the frequency column, one which has the highest frequency. So 12 means 28 is the, this is 28 kilos. This is in kilograms. 28 kilos is the mode mass. Median, so what's the total? You need to get 40, just check it. 10, 20, yeah, 40 is there. So even number, 2 middle numbers. So what are the 2 middle numbers? 40 divided by 2, 20th and 21st. So we have to take the 20th and 21st value divide by 2. So where is the 20th and 21st one? So we can add it and see. This is 18. 18 plus 10, 28. So you can see after 18, 19, 20, 21 like that, that's 29. So 20th also 29 and 21st also 29. Because it's in between 18th and 28th. So you divide by 2. So you get 29 as the median mass. How you find out the mean? You need the fx column. Multiply f into x. 6 times 7, 42. 4 remaining. 6 times 2, 12. Plus 4, 16. Multiply this by 12. 28 multiplied by 12. 10 and 2. Multiply by 10 and then 2. 16 and 5. 56. 336. 10 times 29, 290. 8 times this, 240. 4 times this, you get 124. Now take the total. 8 plus 4, 12. 1 remaining. So 9 plus 1, 10. 19, 20, 23, 25. 2 remaining. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 and 1, 11. Again add it. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. 1 remaining. 10, 19, 23, 25. 2 remaining. 3, 6, 8, 10, 11. 1152 divide by 40. That's the mean mass. So divide by 40 and see. 1152 divided by 40. 40 times 3, 120. So that's 2. 80. 35 remaining. 352. 8. 8 times 4, 32. So 320. Remaining 32. So 320, that's 8. So 28.8 is the mean value. 28.8. So this is in kilograms. So you can write median is 29. Mean is 28.8 kilograms. Following table shows how many times the digits used in a text. Find the mean value. To find out the mean, you need to find out the total F and the total Fx. So add these two. Add all these numbers. 8 plus 6, 14. 14 plus 5, 19. 19 plus 7, 26. 26 plus 14, 40. 4 remaining. So that's 40 altogether. Now Fx, multiply 6 times 3, 18. 8 times 5, 40. 7 times 5, 35. 9 times 7, 63. 11 times 8, 88. 12 times 6, 72. Add all together, you get 10. 18, 18 plus 8, 26. 2 remaining. 3, 7, 10, 18, 18 plus 6, 24. 24 plus 7, 31. So 316. Now we can find out the mean. 316 divide by 40. Use long division. So 40 times 8, 320. So 7. 280. So you get 36 for 360. So you get 9. So 7.9 is the number of times you get the same digit. So that's the mean value, 7.9. Group frequency distribution. So far we did ungrouped frequency distribution. How we make a group frequency distribution. So look at this one. Following table shows marks of 30 students. If you are finding the range, we see that 21 is the lowest and highest is 83. So 83 and 21. When you take the range, you get a big number. See that? 62. That's a big number, large number. So it's easy to, otherwise you get 62 different numbers like a big table. So to reduce that, we are grouping numbers. So as range is high value, number of digits are big, construct a table with interval. So we need to combine several numbers and make an interval. So we'll see how we can do that. So class interval. So we can say 10 to 15. That's one interval. So here that means all decimals, fractions, integers, all 10 to 15 include here. 11, 11.5, any number in between that. So class size is the width of the class interval. So that means number of integers that belongs to that interval in that class. So take this example, 10 to 18. What's the class size or width of the class interval? So 10 you can get 11, 12, 13 up to 18. How many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 is the class size of this interval. So how you get the class size? This is the method. You subtract the upper limit, we call this is limit, and lower limit and add 1. You have to add 1 to that because those are included. So 18 minus 10 is 8, 8 plus 1, 9. So we'll do more to find out the class size. So lower limit we call 10, 18 is upper limit. So subtract the lower limit from upper limit and add 1. So we'll take this interval, find the class size. 15 minus 9 and add 1. So 15 minus 9, that's 6. 6 plus 1, that's 7. 7 is the class size for that interval. 10 to 20, what's the class size? 20 minus 10 plus 1. So you get 11. So 10 plus 1, that's 11 is the class size. So take the difference and add 1. So this is called the lower limit and the other number we call the upper limit. So what's the class mark? Class mark is the mid value of the interval. So what you can do, you can add the lower limit and the upper limit and divide it by 2. So if this is 10 to 18, what's the class mark? 10 plus 18 divide by 2. You get 28 divided by 2. So that means 14 is the class mark. If the interval is 21 to 30, so 21 plus 30 divided by 2. You get 1 and 5. 51 divided by 2, you get 2. That means 4. For 11, that's 5, 10 and another one. So 25.5 is the class mark. Add and divide by 2. To create the group frequency distribution for mathematics marks obtained by students, take 10 as the class size. So size is 10. So number of intervals, how can we find out? We found out the range. What's the range we found out for that data set? Range is 62. So we take the range and divide by how many? Divide by the class size. So we'll say that's 10, divide by 10. So you get roughly 6.2. So you can get a value close to that. So we'll take the value 7. That's the highest integer. So we can say we need 7 intervals in this data set if we take the class size as 10, roughly 10. So here 7 number of intervals included in the table. So how you create that 7 intervals? So we can start from the lowest number. So this is the data set. So class size is roughly 7 means you can take higher than that. But we need 7 intervals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the lowest number is 21. So you can start from 20. So 20 to 29, 30 to 39. So likewise, these are intervals. So this is the lower limit and upper limit 29. Now we'll mark the tally table. 21. 21 is here. So put a tally mark. 36 here. 39 this way. 41 here. 52. 70. 26. 36. 40. 42. 53. 70. 28. 38. 41. 45. 56. 80, 32, 39, 41, 48, 66, 81, 34, 39, 41, 48, 68, 83. So now we have all the numbers we can count. That's called frequency. So 3, 5 plus 3, 8, 5 and 4, 9, 3, 2, 2, 3. So what's the total? 8 plus 3, 11, 20, 23, 25, 25 plus 5, 30. 30 is the total, so that means correct. So when you are constructing intervals, what are the important facts that you have to remember? So you find the range of the data set. Then divide that range by the required number of intervals. Or you can, if you know the size, you can divide by size. Then you can see how many intervals are there. So if you know the range divided by number of intervals that you want, you can find out the class width, class size. So normally we take intervals less than 10. Don't take 20 intervals like that. Maximum 15, but 10 is the suitable value. So try to take intervals more than 5 and less than 10. Round up the value, that becomes the class size of the intervals. Now we'll look at the review exercise in your textbook. The ages of the members of a school cricket team rounded off to the nearest year are given below. For the above data set, find the following. The range. So this is not in order. So we'll first arrange this in order. 14, 3 times. 15, twice. Then 16 once. 17 twice. 18 once, 18 twice. And 19 once. Now we can find the range. What's the range? Highest minus the lowest. 19 minus 14. That's 5. Mode, most frequent number. 14 3 times. So 14 is the mode value. Median. Now here, before we find median, we have to find out the middle number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Odd number of data sets. So you get 11 plus 1 is 12. 12 divided by 2, 6th. Sixth number is the median. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See, 5 numbers to the right side, 5 numbers to the left. So median is 16. What's the mean? Take the total, divide by number of terms. So we'll find out total. You get 14 3 times. What's the total? 42. 15 twice, that's 30. You get 16. 17 twice, you get 34. 18 twice, 36. And you get 19. So add all together. 6 plus 4, 10. 19, 25, 27. 2 remaining. So you get 6 plus 3, 9, 10, 13, 16, 17, 177. Check it again. Add it together. 10, 19, 20, 25, 27, 2 remaining, 6, 9, 10, 13, 16, 17, 177 divide by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 times 1 is 11. And you get 67. That means 6. 66. 1 remaining. For 10, nothing. And for 100 and something, that's 9. So the mean value is 16.09. Question number 2. Data collected by a certain weather station on the highest temperature in degrees Celsius recorded during each day of the first 2 weeks of a certain month is given below. For the above data set, find the following range. So this is not in order. So you have to first arrange this in order. 26 is the lowest. Then we get 27 twice. 28 4 times. 29 twice. 30 twice. Then 31 twice. And 32. Now you can find the range. Highest minus, that's 32 minus 26. You get 6. Mode, most frequent number. 28 4 times. So that's the mode. Median is the middle number. So altogether, how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 numbers. That means 2 middle numbers you are getting. 14 divided by 2, 7. So 7th and 8th. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 average. So 28 plus 29 divided by 2. So you get 28.5. Mean value. So you have to take the total and divide by the number of numbers. So all these are values in Celsius, in degrees Celsius. So mean, we'll add it. When you add these two, $53. These two, $55. These two you get $56. And this one, $57. This one you get 59. And here 30 and 31 you get 61. And 31 and 32 you get 63. Add all together, you get 9 plus 1, 10. 10 and 10, 20. 26. And 26 plus 3, 29. 29 and 5, 34. 3 remaining. 10, 20, 25. 25, here 30, 35. 36, 37 and 3, 40. 404. So the mean is 404 divided by number of terms 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Divide by 14. You can first divide by 2. 202 divide by 7. 7 times 2, 14. So 62. 62, 7 times 8. 56. So 62 minus 56, you get 6 there. So for 60, how many 7s? You get 8. And again 40, that's 5. So 28.85 Celsius. That's the mean value. So we'll put the Celsius symbol. So that's the mean temperature. Example number 1. The masses of 36 grade 3 students of a primary school are given below. Mass in kilograms. Find the range of the above set of data. So what's the lowest? When you check carefully, I can see 20 is the lowest. What's the highest? 27. Is that the highest value? Yes, 27. So you take the difference. 27 minus 20, that's 7. So range is 7. Construct an ungrouped frequency distribution using the above information. For the above data set, find the following using the frequency distribution: mode, median, mean. So first we'll construct the frequency distribution, ungrouped frequency distribution. So we can arrange that 20 to 27. So we got 20 to 27, and here tally marks we'll put 27, 26, 26, 25, 24, 22, 25, 24, 22, 20, 23, 23, 23 twice and 20 once, 23, 23, 26, 23, 23, 26, 21, 26, 22, 26, 24, 24, 20, 26, 23, 23, 20, 25, 21, 24, 24, 22, 22, 21, 24, 24, 27, 25, 25, 27. Now we'll count 3, 3, 4, 6, 7, 4, 6, 3. So that means correct. So this is the ungrouped frequency distribution. And from that we can find out. So the largest value we can see 20 and the smallest value is 27. So take the difference. That's 7. It's easy to identify the lowest and highest from the frequency distribution. Now we'll find out the mode. Look at the frequency column and one which has the highest frequency, 7. So the value is 24. And what's the median value? So all together, how many numbers are there? 36. These are kilograms. The values are in kilograms. So we'll put kg. And the range also kg. 7 kg is the range. Now 36 numbers are there. So 36 is an even number. So 36 divided by 2. So 18th, and you have to take the 19th value. Now we'll see where's 18th and 19th. So we have to add and see. 3 and 3, 6. 6 plus 4, 10. 10 and 6, 16th here up to this point. And 16 plus 7, 23. So in between 16th and 23, you get 18th and 19th. That means both 18th and 19th, the value is 24. So 24 plus 24 divided by 2. So you get 48 divided by 2, that's 24. That's in kilogram. That's the median value. And we need, finally, what's the question? We need mean value. To find out the mean, we need the f value and x, multiply and get the fx values. So what are the frequencies we got? 3, 3, 4, 6. We'll fill that. 3, 3, 4, 6. Then you get 7, 4, 6, 3. 7, 4, 6, 3. Those are the frequencies. Altogether, how many? We got 36. Now we'll find out fx. Multiply these two. 20 times 3, that's 60. 21 times 3, 63. 22 times 4, 88. 23 times 6, 138. 6 times 3, 18. And 6 times 2, 12. Plus 1, 13. 24 times 7, 7 times 4, 28. 2 remaining. 7 times 2, 14. Plus 2, 16. 25 times 4, 100. 6 times 6, 36. 3 remaining. 6 times 2, 12. 12 plus 3, 15. 3 times 27, 21. 3 times 2, 6 plus 2, 8. So now add it. We get 8 3 times. So 24 and this 6, 30, 33, 34. 3 remaining. So this is 6 and 6, 12. 12 plus 8, 20. 29. 29 plus 3. 29 plus 3. 32. So 32 plus 13. 45. 4 remaining. 5, 6, 7, 8. 854. So 854 is the total, and find out the mean value. So 854 is the total, and total number of observations 36. Now divide. Long division. So you get 2, that's 72. 13 remaining. For 134, so you get 4, that's 3. 3 times 6, 18. 1 remaining. 3 times 3, 9 plus 1, 10. 26 remaining. So for 260, what's the value? So you get 8. 8 times 6, 48. 4 remaining. 8 times 3, 24. 24 plus 4, 28. So that means not 8. That should be 7. 7 times 6, 42. 4 remaining. 7 times 3, 21. 21 plus 4, 25. So that's okay. So 23.7 is the mean mass. So we can put kilograms. So that's the mean value. Now we'll look at exercise 28.1. The data collected at a certain weather station on the highest temperature in degrees Celsius recorded on each day of the month of December in the year 2016 is given below. What is the range of this data set? Construct an ungrouped frequency distribution to find out the mode, median and mean. Find the mode of the data set using the above constructed frequency distribution. Find the median of the above set of temperature. Find the mean. So first we'll find out the range. What's the highest? 30 is the highest number. Lowest number? 20. 24. So when you subtract, you get 6. 6 is the range. So 6 Celsius. Construct an ungrouped frequency distribution. So we'll try to construct. So lowest is 24 to 30. So we can say temperature. So 24. 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Now we can put tally marks and see 28 3 times. 26, 26, 27. 28, 25, 26. 28, 24, 28. 29, 24. 27, 30. 25, 28. 28, 25. 29, 26. 26, 30. 27, 27. 28, 27. 28, 27 again. 28, 27. And 27 again. Now we'll count and see the frequencies. 2, 3, 5, 7, 10, 2 and 2. So what's the total? 5 and 5, 10, 17, 19, 21. 2 remaining and this is 31. Just check. Is it given 31 values? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 times 3, 30 and 1, they are 31. And to find out mode, median and mean of the data set, we can use the frequency distribution. Mode. Most frequent number. Look at the frequency column. One which has the highest frequency is 10. That means 28 is the mode value. Median. Now this is 31 numbers are there. That's odd. So you get one middle number. So how you find out the middle number? 31 plus 1 divide by 2. 32 divided by 2, you get 16th number. How we find out the 16th number? So you can add it and see. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 5, 10. And this is 10 plus 7, 17. So 10 and 17 in between, you get the 16th number. So 16th number is 27. So the median is 27. Then we need mean value. So to find out the mean, you have to take the fx column. So we'll multiply. This is x and this is frequency. So 24 times 2, 48. 25 times 3, 75. 26 times 5, 130. So here 7 times 7, 49, 4 remaining. 7 times 2, 14, plus 4, 18. Then 10 times 28 is 280. 29 times 2, 58. Then 30 times 2, 60. Now take the total. 9. 9 plus 5, 14. 8 and 8, 16. 16 plus 14, you get 30. So 3 remaining. So 3 and 7, 10, 14, 17. 17 plus 16, you get 33. 33 plus 11, 44. So 4 there, 4 remaining. Here 4 plus 2, 6 plus 7, 8. 4 plus 2, 6, 7, 8. 840 is the total. So what's the mean value? 840 divided by 31. So we'll do long division. 840 divided by 31. That's 2. So you get 22. Remains for 220. 7. 7 times 1, 7. 21. So you get 3. So for 30, that's 0. And for 300, you get 9. So 27.0609 is the temperature in Celsius. So you can round it. This is roughly 27 Celsius. Question number 2. In a certain market, bags containing lime of mass 100 grams each are available for sale. The number of limes in each bag is given below. What is the range of this data set? Highest is 6. Lowest? Lowest is 2. 6 minus 2, that means 4. Construct an ungrouped frequency distribution and using that mode, median, mean. And you have to give the nearest whole number. So we'll find out. So the lowest is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we'll mark the tally and see how many numbers are there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 4, 4, 6, 3, 2, 5, 3, 3, another 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 5, 4, 3, 2, 4, 5, 2, 4, 5, 6, 3, 5, 6, 3, 5, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 4, 3. Now count. That's the frequency. You get 4. 5 plus 4, 9. 5 plus 3, 8. 5. and 2. Add and see. 10, 19, 24 and 28. Just check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 times 2, 28. Fx to find out the mean. So 2 times 4, 8. 9 times 3, 27. 4 times 8, 32. 5 times 5, 25. And 6 times 2, 12. Now take the total. 8 plus 2, 10, 17. 17 plus 7, 24. 2 remaining. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Again, 15, 20, 24. 2 remaining. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 104. So first we'll find out the mode. Most frequent number. Look at the frequency column. 9 is the highest number. So mode is 3. Median. This is 28 means even number of data. So you get 2 middle numbers. So what are the 2 middle numbers? 28 means 28 divided by 2. 14th and 15th one. So 14th and 15th, we'll see 9 plus 4, 13. 13 plus 8, 21. So that means in between 13 and 21, that's 4. So 4 plus 4 divided by 2, you get 4. Median number of data. Now we need to find out the mean. Mean is total Fx 104 divided by 28. So you get 3. So we'll divide and see. 3 times 8, 24. 3 times 2, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. So 20, and for 200, that's 6, 7, that's 7. 7 times 8, 56. 5 remaining. 7 times 2, 14 plus 5. 14 plus 5, 19. So that means roughly 3.7. But you have to write down the value to the nearest whole number. That's 4. Question number 3. Information on the number of units of electricity consumed daily during a certain period by certain business establishment is given in the following ungrouped frequency distribution. So this is F and this is X frequency and the X value given. What is the range of the above data set? 14 minus 8. That's 6. Find the mode. Highest frequency. You get 8. So that means 10. 10 is the mode value. Median. Now altogether how many data are there? So you have to add and see. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 and 8, 16. 16 plus 10, 26. 26 plus 4, 30. Altogether 30. So 30 is an even number. So that means you divide by 2. 15th and 16th you have to take. 15th and 16th. And take the average. Now where's 15th? And then see, this is 8. 8 here. 8 and 8, 16. So after 8, all 15th 9th, 10th, 11th up to 16th all 10s. So that means 15th also 10, 16th also 10. So 10 plus 10 divided by 2, you get 10. That's the median value. Find the mean number of units of electricity consumed per day during the period in which the data was collected. So we'll find out the mean. So we need the fx column. So we'll create the fx column. So here fx. So we'll write in this way 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and the frequency is 3, 5, 8, 6, 4, 3, 1. Now multiply 8 times 3, 24. 9 times 5, 45. 10 times 8, 80. 11 times 6, 66. 12 times 4, 48. 13 times 3, 39 and 14. Now take the total. 9 plus 9, 18. 18 plus 10, 28. 28 plus 8, 36. 3 remaining. 5 plus 4, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 8, 18. 18 plus 10, 28. 28 plus 3, 31. So 316 is the total. So what was the total frequency? 30. So this is 30. So what's the mean value? 316 divided by 30. 1 and for 16 nothing and for 160. 160 how many 30s? 5. So 150 for 10. So 100 like 3. So 10.53 is the mean number of days. You can round it, roughly 11 days. Question number 4. An ungrouped frequency distribution prepared with the information collected on the number of patients who receive treatment in the outpatient department of a certain hospital each day during a certain period is given below. Number of patients who receive treatment during a day, number of days. Find the range of this data set. So highest minus lowest. 35 minus 29. You get 6 is the range. Find the following for this data set. Mode, most frequent number. Look at the frequency column, 12. So 33 is the mode value. Median, how you find out the median? So this is all together, it's not given, so we have to find the total. 6 and 6, 12. 12 plus 8, 20. 20 plus 12, 32. 32 plus 2, 34. And 34 plus 6, 40. So that's an even number. So 40 divided by 2. So you have to find out the 20th and 21st value and divide by 2. How we find out that? We are taking the sum of the frequencies. 2 plus 4, 6. 6 plus 6, 12. 12 plus 8? 12 plus 8 is 20. And here you get the next number. So here 2 and 3. So 20th number is here 32. And 21st number is next one 33. So divide by 2, you get 32.5 is the median value. So how do you find out the mean? To find out the mean, you need the fx column. So we'll do that. So x values 29, 30, 31, 32, 33 and 34, 35. And the frequencies 2, 4, 6, 8, 12, 6, 2. So what's the total we found? 40 is the total here. Now we'll multiply fx. 29 times 2, 2 times 9, 18, 1 remaining. 2 times 2, 4 plus 1, 5. 30 times 4, 120. 31 times 6, 186. 32 times 8, 256. 33 times 12, 12 times 3, we'll multiply separately. 33 times 12, 10 and 2. So you get 396. 6 times 34, 204. 6 times 4, 24. 6 times 3, 18 plus 2, 20. 35 times 2, 70. Now take the total. 6, 6, 6, 18. 18 plus 12. 30. 3 remaining. So 3 plus 2, 5. 5 and 5, 10. 18. 18 here. And 9. 9 plus 7, 16. 16 plus 5. You get 8 plus 6, 14, 19. And here 39. 3 remaining. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 1290. So what's the mean? 1290 divided by 40. So 129 divided by 4. 3 and 4 times 2, 8. For 10, again 2. So we can say 32.2 mean number of days. So we can round it and say the mean number of days is roughly 32 days. Exercise 28.2. The data collected by an electricity meter reader on the electricity consumption of each of the household in a certain housing scheme during the month of January 2017 is given below. Construct a group frequency distribution using the above data. So what you have to do? So you have to find out the range and see. So this is group frequency distribution. So you have to find out the intervals. So what's the lowest? What's the lowest value? 50 is the lowest. Highest? 90? 90 is the highest. So we can construct how many intervals, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 intervals. So what you do? Take the range, 90 minus 50, that's 40. If we want 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 intervals, 40 divided by 6, 36, and for 40, like again 6. So roughly 7. So we can mark the intervals. So lowest value is 50, and we can take roughly 50 to 56, then 57 to, so add 6 to that, 63, 64 to 70, 71 to 77, 78 to 84, then 85 to 91. So now we mark the tally table. 63, 90, 50, 71, 74, 84, 68, 73, 74, 53, 67, 53, 67, 72, 75, 72, 75, 63, 64, 63, 64, 82, 69, 82, 69, 69, 54, 69, 54, 76, 58, 76, 58, 68, 62, 68 and 62 is here. 59, 56, 59, 56 is here. 62, 88, 62, 88 is here. 73, 66, 73, 66 is here. 67, 58, 67, 58. 69, 85, 69, 85 here. 67, 74, 67 and 74. 78, 85, 78, 85. 78, 72, 78 and 72. 75, 70, 75 and 70 and 72. Now we'll see the count. 3, 8, 11, 12, 4 and 4. Take the total and see. 10, 13, 14, 18 plus 4, 22. 42 altogether. Just check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times 7, 42. So that's correct. So this is the grouped frequency distribution. The marks obtained in a mathematics test by a group of grade 9 students of a certain school are given below. Find the highest mark obtained by a student. What's the highest? 73. Check with, no, 79. 79. What's the lowest mark obtained by a student? 11 is the lowest mark. So find the range. 79 minus 11. You get 68. For the above data set, construct a group frequency distribution with 7 class intervals. So we need 7 class intervals. So what we do? So we can first find out 7 class intervals means take the range, divide by 7 and see what's the value. 7 times 9, 63. And you get 5. For 50, that's 7 times 7, 49. So roughly 10. So we have to construct with 10 is the class size. So we'll check. The lowest is 11 and highest is 79. So we can take starting value 11 and size is 10 means you can take 20. So then next one, 21 to 30, 31 to 40, 41 to 50, 51 to 60, 61 to 70, 71 to 80. Now tally marks. 34, 42, 33, 60, 27, 68, 27, 68, 69, 44, 45, 73, 62, 67, 12, 54, 38, 61, 63, 26, 53, 79, 35, 11, 48, 65, 54, 63, 63, 47, 29, 54, 61. Now count 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 10, 2. So what's the total? We have to check always. 5, 10, 15, 19, 21 and 3. 31. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 times 4, 28, 29, 30, 31. So that's correct. The heights in centimeters of the grade 4 students of a certain primary school are given below. Construct a suitable group frequency distribution. So you have to find out the lowest and the highest. So lowest 120. So you get 120. So range we'll find out. 120 is the lowest. What's the highest? 138 I can see. 138. So what's the difference? 18. Range is 18. So if we want 4 intervals like, so we can divide by 4. So roughly divide by 4, you get 4 times 4, 16. 16 and 20, so 4.5 means you can take 5. Class size is 5. So we can start from 120. 120 to 124, 125 to 129, 130 to 134, 135 to 139. Now tally marks. 124 twice. 120, 121. 129, 128. 138, 125. 125, 120. 122, 125. 122, 129. 132, 127. 133, 138. 122, 128. 124, 126. 125, 123. 131, 127. 130, 125. 126, 125. 125. 131, 135. 120, 122. 126, 125. 130, 132. 130, 132. Now we'll count. 12, 17, 7 and 3. When you take the total, you get 10, 17, 19 and 39. We'll check whether it's correct. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 times 3, 39. So that's correct. Example number 1. A group frequency distribution prepared with the marks obtained by a group of students in a certain test is given below. Find the distribution. From the distribution, find the modal class. So one which has the highest frequency. Look at the frequency table. What's the highest one? 11. So we call this is the modal class. 51 to 60 is the modal class, one which has the highest frequency. The median class. So what's the total? We have to find the total frequencies. So we'll do it here. 3. 3 plus 4, 7. 7 plus 6, 13. 13 plus 7, 20. 20 plus 11, 31. Plus 4, 35. So that means total is 35. Now, odd number. So you get one middle number. So 36 divided by 2. That means 18th one. So you have to add 1. That's 36 divided by 2, 18th one. So where you get 18th one? After 13, so you get 14th, 15th, 16th up to 20th is this one. So that's the median class. 41 to 50. That's the median class. Example 2. A group frequency distribution prepared using the ages of the employees of a certain establishment is given below. Find the modal class. One which has the highest frequency, that's 34 to 50, 34 to 41. Median class, you have to find the total. So we'll add it starting from 3, 3 plus 5, 8, 8 plus 11, 19, 19 plus 6, 25 and 28. So that means total is 28. So you get two middle numbers. 28 divided by 2, 14. So 14th and 15th divide by 2. Where's 14th and 15th? Can you see here? After 8, 9, 10, 11 up to 19, that's this one. So 14th and 15th one both include in this interval 34 to 41. So that's the median class. Exercise 28.3. The number of sweep tickets sold each day during the month of March of year 2016 by a certain sweep ticket seller is given below. What is the maximum number of sweep tickets that were sold on a day during this period? Maximum number, what's maximum? 405. What's the minimum number of sweep tickets that were sold on a day during this period? What's the lowest value? 370. Do you get that? That's the lowest. 370 is the lowest. So range. So subtract these two. 405 minus 370. You get 5. So 35 is the range. Construct a group frequency distribution of class size 6 using the table. So class size 6 means, so we'll take 35 is the range divided by 6. So roughly 6. This is 5 point something. So roughly 6. So the class size is 6. Class size is 6 as well as number of intervals also 6. So the lowest value is 370 and the class number of intervals 6. Class size is 6 means you can take 370 to 375. 376 and add 5, you get 381. 382 to 387. 388 to 393. So 394 to 399 and 400 to 405. So we have 6 intervals. So tally marks 380, 400. 390, 373. 73 is here. 390, 381. 390, 381. 393, 379. 79 is here. 390 here. 373. 402. 375. 386. 370. 392, 378, 385, 384, 395, 397, 391, 379, 386, 385, 396, 377, 387, 395, 405, 395, 391. Now count 4, 6, 6, 7, 5, 3. We'll add and see 10, 17, 20, 26, 26 plus 5, 31. So altogether 31 numbers are there. So this is the group frequency distribution. Now we have to answer the questions. Find the modal class and the median class. Modal class. One which has the highest frequency here, that's 7. So the modal class is 388 to 393. What's the median class? Altogether 31. 31 divided by 2, 31 plus 1 is 32. 32 divided by 2 is 16th one. So you have to find out where the 16th one. 4, 10, 16. So 16th one is here. That means the median class is 382 to 387. The number of books loaned by a school library during 30 days of the first term of the year 2016 is given below. What is the range of this data set? Highest is 41. Lowest? 20? No, 16, 15 is there. So 15 is the lowest. Subtract. 26 is the range. Using this data set, construct a group frequency distribution consisting of the class intervals 15 to 19, 20 to 24. So of class size 5. So 15 to 19. So starting from 15 to 19, 20 to 24, 25 to 29, 30 to 34. Then 35 to, if the size is 5, this should be 39. But we have 41 till 41. So we'll put only for this one. This is 41. Otherwise, you have to construct another interval. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So intervals 5. Otherwise, you have to create another interval that's 40 to 44. So we'll put it here and see the tally marks. 27, 29. 27, 29. 41, 20. 41, 20. 32, 36. 32, 36, 33, 25, 33, 25, 40, 37, 40, 37, 36, 28, 36, 28, 40, 16. 40, 16. 27, 25. 27, 25. 35, 23. 35, 23. 15, 37. 32, 29. 32, 29. 28, 33. 28, 33. 33, 34. 33, 34. 24, 32. 24, 32. 27, 38. 27, 38. Now count 2, 3, 9, 7, 9. What's the total? 9 and 9, 18. 18 plus 2, 20 and 30. So we'll see whether there are 30 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 times 3, 30. So this is the group frequency distribution. Now we'll answer the questions. Using the table, find the number of days in which 30 or more books have been loaned. 30 or more. 30 or more. 9 plus 7. 16. So that's 16. How many days are there in which more than 25 but less than 30 books were loaned? More than 25 and less than 30. So more than 25, that means this one, less than 30. So that means 9. What is the modal class? So highest frequency, you get actually not this one because you need another interval. So we put everything to this one. So actual highest value is 9. So the modal class is 25 to 29. To which interval does the median of the number of books loaned each day during this period belong? So 30 is the total. So you get 30 divided by 2, 15th and 16th. So we'll see. This is 2, 5. 5 plus 9, 14. Then you get 21 here. So 15th is here. 16th and 15th, 32, 34. So the median class is 32, 34. Now we'll look at the miscellaneous exercise. The ungrouped frequency distribution given below has been prepared with the information collected on the number of coconuts that were plucked from each coconut tree in an estate during a certain season. Find the mode of the data set. So look at the frequency column. 8 is the highest, so 12 is the mode value, 12 number of coconuts. Find the median. What's the total? Not given, so we have to find out the total. So add it and see. 8 plus 2, 10. 7 plus 3, 10. 10 and 10, 20. 25 and 25 and 5, 30. So that's 30. So median. What's the middle number of 30? So you get 2 middle numbers. That's 30 divided by 2, 15th and 16th. So 15th, so we'll see addition of frequencies, 3, 8. 8 plus 8, 16. 16 plus 7, 23. So you need 15th and 16th. Here you get after 8, all these numbers 12. So 15th also 12, 16th also 12. 12 plus 12 divide by 2, that's 12. Find the mean number. So you have the frequency. So we found this is 30. This is 30. Now to find out the mean, you need the fx column. Multiply 8 times 3, 24. 5 times 10, 50. 8 times 12, 96. 13 times 7, 91. 14 times 5, 70. 15 times 2, 30. What's the total? 10, 11. 1 remaining. 10, 20, 29. 30, 31. 31 plus 5, 36. So mean is 361 divided by 30. 1. So 61. 61 means 2. That's 61 minus 60, you get 1. For 10, that's 0. So roughly 12 is the mean number. Question number 2. The circumference in centimeters of a pile of rubber tree trunks that were purchased to cut planks are given below. Prepare a group frequency distribution consisting of 8 class intervals. Find the modal class and the median class. So consisting of 8 class intervals. So we have to find out the range first. So what's the range? Lowest is 90, 80 something, 85. Just check whether the lowest is 85. No, 80. Lowest is 80. Highest? 115. 115 is the highest. So subtract these two, you get 5. So 35 is the range. So if you want class size 8, you get 35 divided by 8, like 4 point something. So 4 point something means roughly 5 intervals you get. So here 8 class intervals you need. So we'll take 5 roughly. So if the class size is 5, you can take starting from 80, 84, 85 to 89, 90 to 94, 95 to 99, 100 to 104, 105 to 109, and 110 to 114, 115 to 119. So what was the highest one? 115. Now we can mark it. 95, 87, 103, 106, 115, 112, 105 twice, 98, 118, here 118 was there. We didn't see 118. If you take, actually this is 18. So what's the value? 118 minus 80. 180 minus 80 is 38 here. 38 divided by 8. What's the value? What's the value here? 4 point something. Still, you get the same value. So that's why we got it correctly. So this is 4.8 times 4, 32, and 60, that's 7, like 4.7. So same answer. So we marked 118. So 85, 90. 85, 90. 98, 86. 98, 86. 103, 110. 103, 110. 112, 103. 95, 96. 86, 102. 106, 100. 105, 94. 98, 89. 97, 98. 94, 104. 107, 80. 110, 98. 96, 97. 102, 114. 102, 114. And 92. 92 is here. So what's the frequency? You get 1, 5, 4, 11, 7, 6, 5, 2. Now what's the total? We have to check. 10, 17, 18, 20, 26, 26 plus 5, 31, and 4, 41. Just check 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you get 41. So this is the table. So what are the questions here? Find the modal class and the median class. So first find the modal class. One which has the highest frequency. So 11 means 95 to 99. And the median class, 41 is there. So what's the middle number? 42 divided by 2? 21. So 21st one. Whereas 21st one, we can add the frequencies and see. 6, 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 11, 21. So that means 21st one is here. 95 to 99. So this is the median class. So modal class and median class both are the same. So we covered all theory related to data representation and interpretation. So you need to know how to construct group frequency distributions and how to find out the median class, modal class. And if it's a frequency distribution, ungrouped frequency distribution, you need to know how to find out the mean, median, mode, range. So practice all these exercises because this is an important lesson, statistics, because you are definitely getting a question related to that in your O-level exam.